Money can come in daily online without constant meetings, loud branding, or being active every hour. That is the opportunity many quiet entrepreneurs overlook. Here are realistic models that can generate daily income. First, affiliate marketing. Create useful content once, recommend relevant products, and earn when people buy through your links. Second, digital products. Templates, guides, checklists, or courses can sell repeatedly after the initial work is done. Third, freelance services with systems. Writing, design, or strategy services can bring steady income when supported by referrals and clear processes. Fourth, e-commerce with automation. A simple store plus consistent traffic can create daily sales if the offer is strong. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram can help attract attention, while email helps convert it consistently. Here is the truth. Daily income usually comes from systems, not random effort. For introverts, this is good news. You do not need to be loud. You need a valuable offer, clear communication, and repeatable processes. The goal is simple. Build once, improve often, and let consistency create momentum. That is how quiet businesses grow loudly in revenue.